Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan and today we are going to go through this tutorial on how to create an ethereal waterfall look. Yeah, I don't know. Well, let's get into it. What's up guys? My name is Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a wet mermaid look. So get ready with me to go do a photo shoot in a waterfall. All right, I don't really know what I'm doing. I have castor oil as well I could use. It might keep it like greasy looking. Boy oil, oily enough. The reason I want to pre-oil my hair for this photo shoot is because the water's so cold. So for me to get like a authentic wet hair look, I have to get my head wet. And when I get my head wet, it's hard for me to stay in the water. I love photo shooting in cold water, I guess. I don't know, just making it work. I'm gonna do a couple drops of castor oil. This is actually what I do on the days that I know I'm about to wash my hair. Slick this back. Again, I've never done a wet look. I'll have to hike too for like 40 minutes to get to the spot. Like it's already looking wet. Oil down the back and the ends with castor oil as well for my photo shoot. So I'm gonna go in, this is pretty much empty. It's like instant freeze spray. That is our wet hair look. On to makeup, let's go. Okay, well, let's get into this makeup look. So the hair has been slicked back. We're gonna go do a photo shoot in a waterfall today. It's March in Canada, so it's super, super cold. And the makeup we're gonna do is really, it'll be like low-key, natural, a little bit ethereal, whimsical, but still soft. So do that with me. NYX Cosmetics Canada actually sent me a little package, so I wanted to open it up with you and just see if we could use any of this for today's shoot. If there's any products in this package that you want me to expand upon and do some more videos with, let me know. I really love NYX Cosmetics because they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, which really aligns with Jordy. Getting into this, oh no, things are falling out. Some cute little stickers. Or no, these are not stickers, these are tattoos. Cute! I have little sisters that I could definitely give these to or gift them. They're great. Maybe I'll stick little tiny ones on top of my already very tattooed self. So thank you, NYX. I really appreciate this. Going into their eyeliner. Oh, cute! This is like a magazine that you would get in junior high school. This is really, really cute. Moving forward, so I am biased because I already love NYX. This is actually the best eyeliner that's ever existed. I also have it in black. It goes with me everywhere. It is so reliable and so precise. Eye pencil. Jumbo eye pencil. These are in two different colors, if you can see. The one is in a champagne and the other is in a white. I'd be interested to using one of these as well. We have this vivid, rich mechanical liner in what I can only assume is this like deep, sparkly, it's like a green blue. It's very beautiful. And this one is the Vivid Rich Mechanical Liner in Quartz Queen. These are awesome. I think I'll save these for another, I'm going to save these three for another video, but we will rock with these two here today. So I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Liquid Halo Glow, what I've been putting under my skin just for like everyday makeup. I feel like it keeps everything bright and moisturized. Oh my gosh, I need to make sure that the camera is charged. So I'm going to go in with this light medium CoverGirl Silk Milk foundation. I would say it's more of like a CC cream. It's not as like thick and full coverage as some other foundations, but it's my favorite and it looks the most natural in my opinion. All right, so now that our foundation is on and everything is set, I'm going to go in with some contour. We'll just do a little bit and see. I would say that this makeup look I'm doing today could be worn every day, really. I'm trying to add blush to my list of things that I put on my face, I guess, when doing my makeup, and it's really trending right now, so I might as well learn to also like it. And so I did this yesterday when I went on a date with my husband, and I actually really liked how it looked. I'm so excited to have new products launching this month, and I'm very, very nervous. Concealer time. I didn't tell you. Okay, so wait. The Fenty Beauty contour stick, and then it was a milk blush, and now I'm going in with a CoverGirl Clean and Fresh concealer. Currently my repertoire of makeup is a mix of luxury makeup and drugstore makeup. I'm just using the same brush for everything today. I think you can, honestly, every single product you put on your face could have a different brush that you use with it, but every once in a while it's cool to just do a quick and dirty every day. I just need it on and in the places it needs to go. And I think to show you that you can do most things with very few tools. I've clipped it in the back on both sides just to keep it from going anywhere. I'm just going to set everything with this Rimmel London Kind and Free powder. Okay, I think I'm going to leave my eyebrows fairly neutral today. I don't really need them to be the focus of anything. Is my Jordy palette. Again, I used the first edition one. There's a new one in my bag. I'll just go get it. I should be using my one in my purse. This is the Jordy Ocean Eyes palette. For those of you that don't know, this is my brand, and I love her so much. I'm going to go in with Divine. It's the one in the middle because I'm divine and so are you, and I just take a nice big fluffy brush. This waterfall we're actually going to shoot at is like a sacred waterfall on the island, and so therefore I feel a little bit of pressure to like just obviously make sure that everything is really beautiful and super respectful and intentional. And then I'm going to go in, which one do I want to use today? I'll probably go in with Unique, which is my champagne shade. Just apply that to my cheeks. Water break. This is a NYX frosting eye pencil. All right, let's see. All right, I'm going to try it just on the inner corners here. It's very much like the Ice Princess look, except we're going more like ethereal forest. I take the fluffy brush we were using before and just rough that all out. The brown NYX eyeliner. I know their eyeliner is amazing. I'm actually out of the brown ones. Woohoo, I'm excited. All right, so the brown eyeliner is done. These even. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my YSL Lash Clash. I'm just going in with the brown shade. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So, oh, I need to curl my eyelashes. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about applying mascara. I forgot to curl my eyelashes. Okay, so mascara is done. The brown mascara looks so nice. I'm actually going back in with the Jordy palette into Worthy, which is my deeper shade of brown. And I'm just going to run it on my waterline. I'm now going to go in with this Jeffree Star Posh Spice Velour Liquid Lipstick. All right, now for some setting spray. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial today. I'm going to go get ready for the rest of my waterfall photo shoot and pack some hiking supplies, get the dogs ready, and some snacks. But I will be sure to upload photos to my Instagram so you can see how this look turned out and how cold this photo shoot is about to be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching. Bye.